Open the Windows Registry editor and move to the following location. Right-click on the Windows key and select New Key. Name this key Windows Update. Afterward, create another key under this new Windows Update key and name it AU. Select the AU key, right-click in the right panel, and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value AU Options, double-click on it to open it, and set the value to 2. That's it. Now Windows will always ask you for both downloading and installing updates. The whole process will become manual. However, this won't work if you have get the latest updates as soon as they're available option enabled on the Windows Update page. Make sure it's disabled by opening Windows Settings and going to Windows Update. Open Registry and move to this location. Create a new DWORD value here and name it No Auto Reboot with Logged On Users. Double-click on it and set its value to 1. Now Windows will only automatically restart and apply updates when you sign out of your account, and it's inactive hours period. Go to the following location in the registry. In Windows Update, you need to create 3 values, 1 DWORD and 2 string values. Just right-click in the right panel and select DWORD 32-bit value once and string value twice. Name and set values of these entries. When you need to upgrade, enter the version of Windows you want to upgrade to in the target release version info value. You can also just delete these values. Move to the following location. In Windows Update key, create a new DWORD value and name it Exclude WU Drivers in Quality Update. Double-click to open it and set its value to 1. Now, Windows won't even search for drivers when looking for a new update. Access the following location in the registry. In Settings, create a new DWORD value and name it Flight Settings Max Pause Days. Afterward, open it, set base to decimal, and the value to 365. Now open Windows Update in Windows Settings, and the Pause Updates drop-down menu will let you select up to 52 weeks of pause.